Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says find the equation of plane passing through the point this. So, planes should pass through the point this. Great. And parallel to the line L1 and L2 with direction ratios this and this respectively. So, suppose that this is your lines. This is line 1. This is your line 2. Now you have to write down equation of plane that is parallel to the line L1 and L2. Now whenever you need to write down equation of plane, you need two things. One, a point on it, and second thing, a vector perpendicular to the plane. So we have already a point on it, that is 1, 1 and 1, because we need to write down equation of plane passing through the point 1, 1, 1. Now we need a vector perpendicular to the plane. So if you will observe, the line 1 and line 2 are parallel to the plane. Okay, so don't you think that if we will do the cross product of vector 1, suppose we have taken this vector over here, and we will move this vector along this, okay, and we will do the cross product. So don't you think that we will get a vector perpendicular to the plane containing vector perpendicular to the plane containing line 1 and line 2? Now you know that line 1 vector's direction cosine is this. So can I say that b1 will look like I minus k and b2 will look like I minus j. So if we will do cross product, we will get a normal vector. So normal vector will be equal to what? b1 cross b2. You can go with b2 cross b1 as well. Still the vector will be normal to the plane only and our task will be done. So it is I j k 1 0 minus 1 1 minus 1 0. Okay, now I is 0 minus 1, then minus j is 0 plus 1, then k is minus 1. Okay, so you guys can write down this thing as minus I minus j and minus k, correct? So we got our vector perpendicular to the plane. Now you know that the normal vector and the coefficient of x, y, z in the plane will be the same. So can I say that our equation of plane will look like this? We will have minus x minus y minus z plus lambda. And how we will find out the value of lambda? By substituting the point 1, 1, 1. So it is minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus lambda. So the value of lambda becomes 3. Now you guys can update the equation. So it is minus x minus y minus z minus plus 3 equals to 0. So this is our equation of plane which is passing through the point 1 comma 1 comma 1 and parallel to the line L1 and L2. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.